Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. A new study has revealed that more needs to be done in the area of child protection in Jamaica. Carrie-Ann Simpson has the details.
When it comes to the rights of children, Jamaica has been doing well in survival and basic needs, low child mortality, good access to health care, and falling poverty rates. However, our island nation is not doing so well at protecting our children from sexual violence. That's according to a recently launched study entitled Out of the Shadows, which looks at the index of the measure of sexual violence of countries' ability to protect children from sexual violence. The findings were revealed by Chairman of the Early Childhood Commission, Maureen Sams Vaughan.
We have failed miserably in protecting our children. Complete failure. Children are exposed to high levels of psychological and physical punishment in the home, high levels of violence. Child homicide is high. 74 Jamaican children were murdered in the 10-year period 2013 to 2022. We have a little glimmer of hope that we are seeing corporal punishment decreasing, but it's very slow, but it's at least moving in the right direction.
According to the report, poorer children, boys who are vulnerable, and children with disabilities from whom services are limited are mostly affected. Another right the report highlighted was access to information. It revealed great concern about how information reaches young children.
Screen time. Many parents feel young children are benefiting from screen time, particularly if it is educational. Screen time is very damaging to the development of young children.
As for children aged 3 to 6,
1 hour per day. You all got that? 1 hour. For the older children from 6, 2 hours. And remember, they get in the 1 hour at home. So you shouldn't have that hour in your school.
The study further revealed how little protection is being carried out for children.
96% of children said they had violent discipline within the last month. 59% said they had physical punishment. And look at the psychological punishment. What is the psychological punishment? It's when we tell them that they're not good, look how them ugly, look how them fool. That's the psychological punishment, and it is sometimes more damaging than the physical punishment. Don't believe that it's not harmful.
And Jamaica is scored 20 out of 60 countries addressed in the study.
Overall, Jamaica is scoring at 51.5. The lowest level is accountability. The prevention mechanisms are at 60 out of 100. The healing, or what happens afterwards, is at 70%, and the justice for children is at 50%.
And so, these recommendations.
We have a few policies and laws that we need to get right. Corporal punishment is one. We need to advance the banning of corporal punishment in all places, homes and schools. There needs to be public education more on the importance of stability in young children's lives, the importance of parenting, and the impact that violence has.
Carrie-Ann Simpson, TVJ News.